money market, which animal is this? Explain to them what this money market is.
Yeah, maybe I can explain and probably give a background. They're what you call the primary investment products, where the person investing goes directly to the person who's borrowing or is in need of money, or they're able to get into the actual thing that they're investing in. Things like stocks, when you're investing in a company, especially when they do an IPO, they're borrowing money from the public, so you become a shareholder. So the stock market is a primary one. There's real estate. You buy land, you build a rental property or something like that. That's a primary one. There are things like treasury bills and treasury bonds. That's the way the government borrows money from the public. And those are usually primary products that you can go, if for example you want to buy a T-bill, you buy from the government directly. If you want to buy a treasury bond, if you want to buy a stock, of course there's the secondary market, the Nairobi Stock Exchange, Securities Exchange, where you can buy. Now what happens is that the Capital Markets Authority has licensed a group of around 20 fund managers who've been licensed to be what we call providing structured products. So what they do is that they collect money. They're like a chama, but now they've been licensed to do that from the general public. And then they invest that money in these primary products. So they can invest the money, the pooled money into stocks. When they do that, that's what is called an equity fund. They're usually called mutual funds because they are like mutual money, it's like a chama, or unit trusts because they're divided into units. So you buy units into that fund. So if you invest in, if the fund manager is investing in stocks, it becomes an equity fund. If they're investing in money market products are products that are usually short term, within a year, like treasury bills and commercial papers. They're just the way maybe corporates borrow, the government borrow within a short period of time. And because it's a short period of time, we call this the wholesale of money. It's only available to people with a lot of money. But now, because of this pooled money, they're able to give you the advantage of these products when you have your little money. So money market is one of them. There's also what you call the rate, or the real estate investment trust. So now that one is pooled and put into real estate. Maybe they buy property, buildings. Again, you as an individual, you cannot buy a rental building, but when you bring it together, then you're able to take advantage of the pooled money to own a portfolio of rental properties and make an income from that. So money market is one of them. It's the most popular. I think over 80% of the funds in mutual funds are in money market. It has its advantages. It's consistently been performing well in Kenya. They give around 9-10% per annum. So it's very simple. Again, all this information, it's there every day in the newspaper. It's time you flipped the newspaper and looked. You see, that's a thing. It's there on the websites and everything.
You're stuck on BBI.
Yes, you know.
I have an observation.